Hello, welcome to Corporate News. I am Muhammad Nazif.
I am Nursaira.
The headlines: measuring the true cost of quality in bulk packaging as practices to make quality an asset.
An overview about bulk packaging has been published on YouTube by Post Meridian. So we brought to you the video today in the studio.
Tell them now, son. When your body, when your belly, tip and go down to the new style. Wine and go up, wine and go down. A bowl and a rocker to the new style around. You feel line it up, you feel when it's chocolate. To the boom shakalaka, to the dance I say the boom shakalaka, that's a brand new style. A wicked say the wicked cha-cha no say a while. Ragamuffin style, with a disciplined child. Tip and go down, cause they're well versatile. You feel moving your waist, moving your back. Wine and go down, shakalaka. Get in the groove, cause you're at the top notch. Bubble and a wine, a girl right on there. When your body, when your belly, tip and go down, do the no style. Wine and go up, wine and go down. Bubble and a rocker to the new style around. You feel round it up, you feel jam it up. So to the boom shakalaka, to the dance all around. We see the English girl do the boom shakalaka, the American girl do the boom shakalaka. We see the Indian posse, boom shakalaka, and the Japan go down with the no style. Wine and go up, wine and go down. Over and a rocker to the new style around. You feel line it up, you feel when it up. To the boom shakalaka, to the dancehall groove.
So, we are back. Bulk packaging is a hybrid packaging suppliers serve a broad array of market and customer with product ranging from simple to specialized, which cover the whole supply chain.
According to bulk packaging, quality is a make or break issue for most businesses. Companies with higher and more consistent quality do better over time, but this performance comes at a cost. While they often hear about the cost of poor quality, this only reflects a portion of the total quality cost. This paper lays out 4 major categories of quality cost and introduces methods to ensure good quality. For further information about the true of cost of quality, we will be with our reporter Ms. Sharifah at Berlin Company.
Hello, I am Sharifah, reporting from Berlin Packaging. I am glad to be here with CEO Tan Sri Aiman from Berlin Packaging to get the further information about the measuring the true cost of quality. I'm going to ask you a few questions regarding to your success in Berlin Packaging. So, sir, what is actually meant by cost of quality from Berlin Packaging perceptions?
Okay, the term quality cost has different meanings to different people. Okay, some think of the cost of poor quality as finding and correcting of work. Others think of the cost to attain good quality. Both definitions are accurate. It's important to understand that quality cost result not only from producing and fixing defects, but also from ensuring that good products are made in the first place.
Oh, I see. Okay, sir, as we know, cost of quality have 4 elements, which is preventive cost, appraisal cost, external failure cost, and internal failure cost. Can you explain about these 4 elements, and maybe you can provide some example in Berlin Packaging?
First is as you asked, the internal failure cost, right?
Yes.
Okay, internal failure cost is the defect that are found before delivery to external customers. There are caused by products or services not conforming to requirements of the customer or the user needs. The more effective a company appraisal activities, the greater the chance of catching defects internally and the higher the internal failure cost. Okay, internal failure costs are caused by both errors in products and inefficiencies in processes. Okay, for example, this cost includes scraps, okay, which is the labor and material that created by defective products. Okay, next, rework, okay, the cost to correct the defective material. Okay, retesting, the cost to retest the product after rework or revisions. And lastly, downtime, okay, the loss of effective capacity used by the quality problems. Okay, that's briefly about internal failure costs. Okay, for external failure costs, when a defective product or service is delivered to a customer, external failure costs result. Okay, typically the cost to eliminate an external failure is 5 times greater than at the internal phase. Okay, this cost is incurred after either because the defect was not caught before shipping, okay, which would have resulted in an internal failure cost. Okay, because a decision was made to ship knowing about the defect, or because the company did not adequately test its goods prior to the shipping. Okay, for example, complaints. Okay, the cost of investigation and adjustment to justify complaints from the defective products, and warranties. Okay, the cost involved in replacing or making repairs to products that are still within the warranty period. Okay, repairing returns, the cost associated with the receipt, repair and replacement of defective product. Okay, last, allowances, the cost of concessions made to customers in exchange for an agreement to use a substance product as is. Okay, that's all for external failure costs. Okay, the third cost is prevention cost. Okay, generally the cost, the most effective way to manage quality cost is to avoid having defect in the first place. It is much less expensive to prevent problems than to find and correct them after them have occurred. Fund expended to minimize failure costs are prevention costs. Okay, companies that pursue operational excellence purposely allocate time and resources to track these costs, and they typically spend more on prevention methods than the other quality cost elements. Some example of prevention costs include quality planning. Okay, the wide range of activities that collectively create the overall quality plan, and numerous specialized plans, plus the full communication of these plans to all parties involved. Okay, process planning, the process capability studies, inspection planning, and other activities associated with the manufacturing and service processes. Okay, quality audits, evaluating the execution of activities in the overall quality plans. Supplier quality evaluation, evaluating supplier quality activities prior to supplier selection, to as well as auditing their activities during the contract period. Okay, so the prevention costs include that I told you. Okay. Okay, so the last category of the cost of quality is appraisal cost. Okay, appraisal cost sometimes called inspection cost. Okay, are costs related to evaluating quality levels in all stages of production. Okay, this includes inbound goods and services evaluation, making sure that the material you receive meet your requirements. Okay, next is process and outbound inspection. Okay, testing product throughout the manufacturing process to assure that it meets specification prior to being released. Okay, field testing, pulling product after it enters the marketplace and evaluating it. Okay, process and system audit. Okay, formal evaluation of the infrastructure behind your product and services. Okay, calibration of measurement and test equipment, maintaining the accuracy of the tools used in the product testing process. Okay, so that's all for appraisal cost.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you for your explanations. Sir, may I have your short advice for the others that want to have you as their benchmark in applying cost of quality?
So my advice is a company should consider the trade-offs between accepting bad quality costs and investing in good quality costs. Okay, smart companies see latter as better choice.
Thank you very much, Tan Sri.
My pleasure.
That's all from me. Let's get back to Izzuddin and Saira.
Thank you, Sharifah and Tan Sri Aiman. That's all from corporate news. Thank you. I am Muhammad Nazif.
I am Saira.
Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum.